Good morning, guys. We are about to go for a run. I'm about to make a quick peanut butter and banana toast for some carbs. I feel like wearing a little bit of color today. So I pulled this sports bra out. I haven't worn this in a minute. I want to say it's from Target, but I love the support and I just love the colors. Got these like Amazon running shorts on bottom. Hat is from Amazon. And yeah, so let me go ahead and get some breakfast real quick. My house is a mess. I'm gonna show you guys. My house is literally a mess. So as soon as I get back in the house, I'm gonna make a quick breakfast and then I'm going to clean. Because if you know me, you know that I do not like my house to not be clean. Like, I thrive whenever my house is clean and organized. I just cannot. I just can't. So we're gonna get this together as soon as I get back from my run. My run should probably take no more than like 35 to 40 minutes. My goal is 4 miles. We're gonna see. I have not ran that far yet. I've done about 3 to 3.5, somewhere around there. The exact same as I did after my run, but it's because my baby girl's home. And I knew she's gonna want to go on a bike ride today, because usually on the weekends, if it's nice outside, we always go outside. We're gonna go ride our bikes to the park, right?
Bikes
or we're gonna drive? What do you want to do?
I'll drive.
You want to drive and not ride your bike?
Yeah.
So I had this problem, right, where if I go to the store, if I go to the mall, I'm gonna look for myself and also my daughter. I got her these cute, like, these New Balances. Turn to the side, boo.
They look like mummies.
They do. They're like cute and chunky. And I love the neutral color because that means they pretty much can go with anything. But I got them for her and they're super cute, huh, boo? Let's see, do they fit right?
Yep.
I was like trying to guess her size. I wonder if I should go up a size. Cause y'all know kids they be growing too fast. And these shoes are not cheap, okay? Like I have like, okay, so for my daughter, I have everyday school shoes, which are usually cheaper, like Target, like inexpensive shoes, right? Then I have our weekend shoes. And her weekend shoes are like, they're really good quality New Balances, Adidas, like those types of things. So I'm kind of wondering if I should just go up a size, because your toe is like right here. This is your toe, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I should get you a 2. You just became a 1. What is happening? Why are you growing so fast?
I don't know.
What is happening? Okay, I may take them back and then just do a 2 for you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you stand up for me? I want to see the shoe on. Turn to the side. That is so cute. They're like chunky, just like mommy's. I love it. Okay, all right, I think we're good to go. You ready?
I think I got it now.
Okay, got it? Okay. I don't know know what is the better feeling than like being freshly showered and clean, skincare routine done, body care routine done, hair freshly washed, like all the things. I don't know what feels better than that on a Sunday night. And it not being late either. It's only 6:10 and the whole house is bathed. I gave Valerie a bath, I gave Leia a bath. Like we're all clean and like ready to relax for the night. So I'm excited. We're about to go and get some dinner because I really don't like to cook on Sunday nights. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I cook so much throughout the week that like Saturday and Sunday is like reserved for eating out. So we're gonna get Texas to our house tonight for dinner. But before I go, I want to show you guys a couple of products that I recently got from Sephora that I am gonna return because I was not wowed by them. And these are products that I've seen people talk about, but like, again, I'm not really wowed by them. So I got this Benefit the Brow Setter, literally not impressed by it. Like I feel like I have better like drugstore brow products. Like this is nothing special to me. So I'm returning this. I got the Hourglass Instant Extensions mascara, and low-key, like I feel like my L'Oreal telescopic mascara is like way better than this. It's pretty comparable, and I feel like for the price point, my L'Oreal is like a couple dollars versus this. I don't know how much this was, but it was more expensive than that. So I'm gonna return it because I just feel like it's not really worth it. If I don't really see a difference in my lashes when I use this versus my L'Oreal, it's not worth it to me. So this one's going back. Oh, and I also got the Fenty conditioning lip oil. I wanted to like it, but I mean, it's cool. It's just not like great in my opinion. And I really want to find like a good lip oil or lip balm that's like conditioning and moisturizing, but is also like it adds a little bit of pigment to my lips. So that way during the day I can just like put a little bit of lip oil on and like feel like I'm wearing a little bit of makeup, but not really, if that makes sense. And I feel like this just didn't really give much pigment at all. So gonna return this. So that's what I'll be returning to the store tomorrow. But if you guys have like any good, and when I say good, I mean like that really are worth the money, really good like makeup, like everyday products. You guys know I'm not really a big makeup person. I do not wear makeup like that. So I'm talking about good everyday lightweight makeup products. Let me know, because I'm always on a hunt for a good product, and I found a couple so far, but I'm just not wowed by a lot of this that's on the market right now. Like I feel like I pretty much stick to the products that I've been using for years because they just work, but I'm always open.
10 out of 10 show.
Ooh.
10 out of 10. Also too,
What?
if you want to be a singer or an actor,
Yeah, it's a different place. You're so silly. All right. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Really bite off one of those?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers. Bing. Where's my drink? Probably.
It's not going to be easy.
How's that go?
I haven't really talked to work on because I hasn't parked and I can't remember it.
So you're gonna practice it tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be in there like, go Valerie!